Introduction. Welcome back to Bike Zone Pro, the channel where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, their performance, history, and the engineering marvels that make them legendary. Today, we're exploring one of the most iconic superbikes ever built, a machine that changed the game for sport bikes and continues to push the limits of performance. The BMW S1000RR. The birth of a legend. The BMW S1000RR made its debut in 2009, when BMW Motorrad entered the world of superbike racing. It was developed initially for the World Superbike Championship, but quickly became a road-legal masterpiece. Unlike many rivals that evolved slowly, BMW's approach was revolutionary, bringing cutting-edge electronics, precision engineering, and relentless power into one package right from the start. From its asymmetric headlights, which became a signature look, to its aggressive aerodynamic design, the S1000RR wasn't just another superbike. It was a bold statement that BMW could challenge and even outperform Japanese and Italian giants on the track and the street. Engine and performance. At the heart of the BMW S1000RR lies its legendary inline-4 engine. The first-generation model produced a jaw-dropping 193 horsepower at 13,000 RPM, setting new benchmarks in its class. Over the years, BMW has refined this engine, and the latest versions now produce around 205 horsepower, with a top speed approaching 190 miles per hour. This engine is a masterpiece of German engineering, lightweight, high-revving, and incredibly responsive. The inclusion of BMW's shift-cam technology in newer models further enhanced mid-range torque and overall efficiency, giving riders power that feels both controllable and explosive. Technology and electronics. One of the standout features of the S1000RR is its advanced electronics package. BMW didn't just build a fast bike, they built an intelligent one. Riders have access to multiple riding modes, including rain, road, dynamic, and race, allowing the bike to adapt to varying conditions. Advanced systems like dynamic traction control, ABS Pro, and dynamic damping control help keep this superbike balanced between safety and aggression. Add to that features like a full-color TFT display, launch control, quickshifter, and even optional data logging, and you start to see why the S1000RR is often described as a bike that thinks ahead of the rider. Design and aerodynamics. The design of the S1000RR has always been distinctive. The first-generation split headlights made it instantly recognizable, while the newer models embrace a sleeker, symmetrical look. Aerodynamics play a huge role, with winglets and streamlined bodywork designed to improve stability at high speeds. The frame and chassis are lightweight yet strong, with mass centralization that ensures incredible handling. Even with its raw power, the S1000RR manages to feel agile and precise, making it as comfortable on a racetrack as it is on winding mountain roads. Riding experience. Riding the BMW S1000RR is nothing short of exhilarating. From the moment the engine roars to life, the sound alone hints at the beast within. The throttle response is sharp yet manageable, and with the assistance of electronics, the bike inspires confidence even in less experienced riders. On track, it's a missile, cornering effortlessly, braking with authority, and accelerating with ferocity. On the road, it feels surprisingly refined, offering a level of comfort and adjustability not often found in bikes of this category. This dual personality is part of what makes the S1000RR so beloved among riders worldwide. Racing heritage. BMW built the S1000RR with one clear goal: to dominate racing. And dominate it did. From superbike championships to endurance races, the RR has proven itself as a fierce competitor. Its combination of power, agility, and reliability made it a favorite not only among factory teams but also private racers. Even today, many professional riders continue to choose the S1000RR as their weapon of choice for track competition, proving that its DNA is firmly rooted in racing excellence. Evolution through the years. Since its 2009 launch, the S1000RR has gone through several evolutions. The 2012 update brought improved electronics and handling. The 2015 model saw weight reduction and power boosts. Then, in 2019, BMW unveiled the fully redesigned S1000RR, lighter by nearly 25 pounds and featuring the groundbreaking shift-cam variable valve timing system. Each generation refined the formula: lighter, faster, smarter, while keeping the essence of what made the original bike so special. Today, the S1000RR stands not just as a superbike, but as a technological showcase. Practicality and everyday usability. While most superbikes are known for being unforgiving off the racetrack, the BMW S1000RR surprises riders with a degree of practicality. Adjustable ergonomics, smoother power delivery in lower modes, and electronic assists make it possible to use the bike as more than just a weekend toy. Of course, it's still a high-performance machine, and long-distance touring isn't its specialty. But for those who want a track weapon that can also handle city streets or spirited weekend rides, the S1000RR delivers. Competitors and comparison. In the superbike category, the BMW S1000RR faces rivals like the Yamaha R1, Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R, Honda CBR 1000RR Fireblade, and Ducati Panigale V4. Each brings unique strengths, but the BMW stands out for its blend of raw power and refined technology. Where some bikes emphasize tradition and raw feel, the S1000RR emphasizes precision and advanced rider aids. This makes it not only competitive but often the benchmark against which others are measured. The legacy of the S1000RR. In just over a decade, the BMW S1000RR has cemented itself as one of the greatest superbikes ever created. It represents a perfect balance of power, technology, and design, a bike that continues to push boundaries and inspire awe in both riders and enthusiasts. The RR is more than just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of what happens when engineering meets passion. It has redefined what we expect from superbikes and continues to lead the pack with innovation and performance. Conclusion: Bike Zone Pro. The BMW S1000RR is not just a machine, it's a legend in motion. From its racing roots to its road presence, it captures the spirit of speed, precision, and German engineering excellence. Whether you're a track enthusiast or a passionate rider who dreams of owning the ultimate superbike, the S1000RR remains an icon.